Yo, what's up, guys? It's Tech Jake, and today I've got something for the professionals, the architects, the designers, the engineers, or anyone out there looking to level up their large format printing game. Let's talk about the HP DesignJet T850, a 36-inch large format color plotter printer that might just be your new studio essential. And yeah, if you're already sold or just curious about pricing, hit that link in the description because there's a limited discount running on this unit right now. Don't sleep on it. Alright, let's dive in. First off, design and build. The T850 doesn't try to be flashy. It's clean, minimal, industrial, exactly what you'd expect from a workhorse that's going to live in a creative workspace or office. This thing is purpose-built. The control panel is intuitive, the paper feed system is smooth and setup surprisingly easy for a machine of this scale. Now, let's talk about the main feature, the 36-inch wide format capability. This thing eats up media sizes like a champ. Whether you're printing CAD drawings, GIS maps, architectural plans, or even high-res posters and presentations, the T850 is built to handle it all. You get crisp lines, vibrant color, and crazy precision thanks to HP's thermal inkjet tech. This is not your average office printer. This is studio-grade output. Speed? HP's got that dialed in too. The T850 can print an A1/D size plot in about 26 seconds. That's actually impressive when you're under deadline and you need multiple prints with accuracy and consistency. No more waiting around watching progress bars. And here's what's slick. It handles both roll-fed and cut-sheet media automatically. So if you're someone who switches between project styles, say, one day you're printing architectural drafts, and the next day it's a poster layout, this thing adapts on the fly. That's flexibility built in. Now, HP has thrown in their 2-year warranty care pack with this model. That means peace of mind. No nonsense. You know you're backed up if anything goes sideways, parts, labor, on-site support, it's all covered. That's something I think more brands should take note of. Print gear is an investment, and it's good to see HP respecting that. Let's also talk about smart features. You've got HP Click software which makes printing multiple files super simple, just drag and drop. You also get mobile printing support, so you can literally send a job to your T850 from your phone or tablet with the HP Smart app. Whether you're remote or on-site, it's nice knowing you can stay in control from anywhere. And here's one detail I love, sustainable printing. HP's been leaning hard into eco-conscious design lately. The T850 uses cartridges with less plastic, and it's built with more recycled material. So not only are you getting pro-level output, but you're also reducing your environmental footprint. Let's talk use cases. Architecture firms? Perfect. Engineering teams? Nailed it. Educational institutions? Absolutely. Even print shops doing short-run posters or custom signage, this checks all the boxes. And because it's HP, you're plugged into an ecosystem that includes security, firmware updates, and a worldwide support network. It's the little things that make a big difference. So, final thoughts? The HP DesignJet T850 is not trying to be the flashiest printer out there. It's here to do a job, and it does it exceptionally well. From color accuracy to speed to format flexibility, this thing hits the marks where it counts. If you're in the market for a serious large format printer, one that won't break the bank but still delivers premium results, then this is one to watch. And right now, there's a limited time discount running through the link in the description. If you're thinking about investing, now's the time. That's it for this one. If you enjoyed the breakdown, drop a like, sub for more gear reviews, and let me know in the comments what you'd want to see next. Plotters, scanners, pro displays, you name it. Until next time, this is Tech Jake, signing off.